Hey you guys, this is Shreya Khanna and today is a very rainy morning in Delhi and I am just here to give you some kind of answers, some kind of people have been commenting on on my videos, and you know that I do not reply on the videos, right? So I have been making some kind of notes about your comments, guys. Okay, so there are a lot of people. Okay, so I want to tell you guys this particular thing before we actually get into the comments. Okay, first I want to tell you guys, now I see you guys commenting. Sometimes some people are commenting that you should make video in Hindi. Okay, and see guys, I am not that person who is trying to tell you that I cannot and this and that, why are you even texting me or what is happening. So no, I'm trying to tell you guys that this is like the more like the third era of my YouTube channel. Third era of my YouTube channel. Why I'm saying that? Because first I started a YouTube channel, it failed because I was younger, and it happened like 2 3 years, 4 years, 5 years back, right? I stopped making videos. Then I came back on YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel was a hit, and I was happy to do the collective readings then. Okay, and now so last year I made a comeback. So this is kind of the third era that I am doing this on YouTube. Okay, now why I'm telling you all of this, guys, this is my work. I do these general readings for you guys. Okay, now people will tell me, if you do it for us, then why don't you make it in Hindi? No, it's not the case, and I'm not even trying to be egoistic about it. Okay, this is my this is where I want to do things with my heart. Okay, with my heart, with my I want to do this peacefully. I want to do this with pleasure. Okay, so I am pleased to do these readings for you, right? In case I start making it in Hindi, it's not a problem for me, but for this time I'm really like, you know what, no matter what people tells me, I am gonna make this in English. So there are a few people, whenever I tell this on my usual videos, when I do the readings, this happens that people start texting different things, and I would be like, you know what, I should not even tell you guys why am I making it in English in my readings. Okay, so this is coming in as very, very plain, because I just thought that if people are texting and commenting, that I should make it in in Hindi, right? But guys, if you want your personal readings in Hindi, that we have an option for. Yes, you can get your personal readings in Hindi. I always tell my clients, let me know whether you want to get this in English or in Hindi. So people tell me that they are comfortable with both languages. People tell me that they are comfortable in English. People tell me they are comfortable in Hindi also. So we take it how it goes with different clients. Okay, so yes, in case you want your personal readings in Hindi, that we have an offer for, definitely. And it's not a problem in there. But as far as YouTube is concerned, we are going to do this in English. Okay, in case you feel like you don't want to see it in English, please, you can check other channels. I'm giving you this particular thing from my humbleness. I'm telling you this with most humble heart, that check other channels, guys. In case you don't want to watch this in English, please look at other channels, because my YouTube is also getting I want to take it somewhere, and somewhere means there are a lot of people only in India who does not understand Hindi. Okay, and there are a lot of people who are watching this particular channel from different countries. Okay, so English is something that gives me pleasure and coming as a pleasurable thing. So yeah, I've talked about more like this. Somebody just texted me, somebody just texted me and telling me that please do the videos in Hindi, and I was like, who are you? Where would you just even exist, guys? Matlab, you guys are texting me like this is too much. This is heights that you're telling me to do it in Hindi. No, with a very kind heart, please do not text me. Change your channel, change your host, change your tarot card reader in case that's something that you don't like. Okay, apart from that, let's just move to different thing. Okay, there are a few people who have been telling me to answer your questions on a particular video. Okay, so there is this Sam 1234 Khan. Okay, Sam has asked me to reply through comments, reply through a video or a comment. So I don't comment at all, but I'm gonna tell you this, Sam, that you asked me a question and I saw it. Okay, I couldn't reply to it, but I saw it. So the question that Sam is asking, Sam dot 1234 Khan. Okay, you have asked that you, your person was at fault, first of all. So you say गलती उनकी थी सारी जिसकी वजह से मैं रिप्लाई नहीं करी थी, मानने की बजाय नंबर डिलीट कर दिया. व्हाट शुड आई डू? आई एम इन पेन. इन्हीं का शी हैज़ अनदर मैसेज ऑल्सो. मैम काइंडली रिप्लाई ज़रूर करिएगा. इफ़ ही हर्ट मी देन आई एम नॉट replied his message. He not messaged me again, and then I upload a status. He's seen status and then delete my number. Now he not come back again. Okay, so Sam, I just want to tell you that you are in pain because of yourself. Okay, you are not understanding something where things went wrong. In case somebody has gone wrong in the relationship and you know that this was your person, you should not be giving this person anything of a what do we say, don't give him bhav, right? Don't give him bhav. I mean, where is your self-respect? I would just want to tell you, where is your self-respect, right? So see, with a very beautiful line that I want to tell you, Sam, that if he was at fault, if your person was at fault, I just want to tell you that stop giving him signals also that you're interested now. Because if you had been interested, you would have fought with them. Okay, what is love without a fight? In case you can't fight with your love, with your person, you should not go for him, because it's not love. Okay, so all you want is your ego to be satisfied that this person is coming to you. I don't know how many people are you have been going through the same like this. Sam, you're not alone, by the way. Okay, we all have been there, sent uploading statuses, and people see that and not reply. Okay, the person see that and do not reply, so you're not alone, Sam. Okay, now I just want to tell you that either you just forgive them, first of all, forgive them. Look for a life where you are satisfied, not in pain. Okay, now in case you want to get a detailed reading what happened, I can give you a guidance, I can give you a proper reading. Yes, you can contact me through WhatsApp. The number you can find in the description box as always. Okay, now other thing, guys, that I want to tell you guys about the comments is that you guys have been asking for a reunion, and 2222 energies have been very strong in the comment section. So in case you have been receiving 2222 and most of the people are receiving abundance, financial abundance, and the reunion thing. Okay, you can write down 2222 and you can claim your abundance. You can claim your abundance and your reunion both. All right, so I just want to put some light on some people also. So you guys have been doing super thanks and I've been telling you that it has been a great thing. Okay, thank you for your super thanks and thank you for your comments. Moreover, guys, we are celebrating 4,000 plus subscribers, and this has happened in the last 2 months or something. So in 2 months I have received more like 1.5 plus k subscribers. Okay, so thank you for joining this channel, and keep watching the video so that you are, connected to what is happening on this channel and in collective's life also. Okay, so guys, let me tell you, my there are a few videos that you have liked so much, you have viewed so much, and you have commented on so much. So you need to check what are you magically attracting in your life after you watch this video. Okay, there are a few people who I want to say thank you, that you have been the most high commentators on this channel of mine. Okay, so I have one channel on YouTube, I have other channel on Instagram with the name at it's Shreya Khanna. Okay, okay, so I have been trying to find those people who have been commenting the most. So Instagram has been telling me that. Okay, there is Anil Mohite. Okay, Anil Mohite, thank you for texting so much on this channel. Thank you. Okay, let me see more. There is Bhavna also. Bhavna, your name, second name starts with D, and Bhavna Diopale, something like that. I'm sorry, I'm not saying it correct, but Bhavna, thank you for being the most high commenter on my channel. Okay, there are a lot of people who have been commenting on this channel so much. Okay, so guys, I can just say, yeah, there is one more, Suresh Gajapati, thank you for being a very high commenter on my channel. Okay, so guys, you are doing awesome. Okay, you're doing great. And there is Shobha Divakar, you have also been texting on this channel very much. Okay, I'm gonna find a few more words, few more people who have been commenting here. And guys, I read all of your comments, don't worry, I read all of your comments. Somebody asked to make a one-sided love video, I did that. Okay, in case you want other videos from me, from my channel, okay, you tell me in the comment section what the most of the times that you feel about your relationship, and what you exactly want to see on this channel. Okay, and there is something that I can't do for you. I am gonna make this in English only, no Hindi, guys. You can change your channel, or reader. I cannot even like make this. Yeah, so this is Bhavna Diopore. Okay, so you have been here on this channel for a very long time, and you have been commenting. It was the time after the second era of this channel, Bhavna Diopade has been texting, commenting on this channel. So that has been a wonderful thing. Okay, yeah. And guys, any of you who wants to do some kind of super thanks, you are very very welcome. I will give you guys a shout out definitely. Okay, in some other video, of course. Okay, because I'm trying to find more and more for you guys. And guys, yeah, so you've been claiming awesome blessings about for yourself and in the comments. And it's not just about me that I am asking you guys to fill the comment section up with the blessings. No, it's you guys also who is using your readers comment section, and you're filling it up with your claiming the best of this blessings for you. And I want to give you all a shout out and a heads up and a hands clapping for all of you, because this has been your channel for, because I've been doing all these videos for my collective, right? This is coming from divine reading, so these are all the divine readings. This happens for you guys. Okay, so you are given this opportunity to take this particular take this particular time, and claim your blessings. And with any of you who does that, I want to give you this, that's great on your part. I'm clapping for you so that you smile today. You smile today. Keep a smile on your face, because your smile does not only make your day, your smile does not only, relieves you with that particular guilt that you have been carrying all through your day, with like, no, I'm sad, I'm sad. No, you can smile. Okay, that makes your day, that makes other people's day also. I don't know why I am so, chirpy today, chirpy and cherishing today, but I just want to tell you guys that, be happy, be great, be awesome who you are. And that was today's video. In case any other people want to tell me that they have some kind of anything that they want to discuss in this particular comment section, you guys know I do not reply to your comment section, so I have to make another video. Okay, so yes, you can do that. And guys, I read all of your comments, so don't worry. I like those, and I say God bless you with every single comment. So don't worry about it, and be blessed. Keep smiling. Radhe Radhe to all of you. Bye bye.